Hi guys, my name is Gurkiran Kaur. I'm from An Academy and let's crack all management exams with us. Today's topic is going to be about which IELTS test is right for you. But before that, I'm also going to give you a quick overview of what exactly IELTS is. Well, IELTS is the International English Language Testing System, which measures the language proficiency of people who want to study a work where English is used as the language of communication. And the test format uses a 9 band scale to clearly identify the level of your proficiency from a non user, which is your band 1, to your expert level or to which is called band 9. Well, which IELTS test is actually right for you? So the IELTS test, there are two different kinds of IELTS tests, which is one is academic and one is general. So what exactly IELTS academic tests entail, and who exactly is it for? The IELTS academic test is actually for people who are applying for higher education or professional registration in an English speaking environment. So for countries like Australia, New Zealand, UK and Canada, these are some of the top English speaking countries where IELTS is, widely known and widely accepted. And it reflects some of the features of academic English and assesses your English language and whether you are ready to begin studying or training in such countries. And this approach, like I said, is widely supported by a lot of the best colleges of the world that recognize IELTS. What is your IELTS general? So IELTS, like I said, academic test is one of the most widely known exams all over the world. And if you want to apply for your undergrad or your postgrad, for to study your masters, you definitely need to give your IELTS exam specifically for these countries like I mentioned, which was Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and UK. So these countries, IELTS is specifically required, sorry, but this is for because English is the most widely spoken language there, and they need to know that whether you would be fitting or gelling into the kind of environment where English is spoken well. A lot of Indians take the IELTS exam every year, and it's super easy to crack the IELTS exam because for us, an English speaking, we are multilingual. We can speak a lot of languages, and English is something that has been taught to us, right from our childhood. Nursery, we are trained to learn English also. So for people like those, it becomes like a cakewalk. But even if you've not learned English, if you are in any other medium school apart from English, I'm right here to help you crack your IELTS exam and get a band 9 score. Well, what's your next, training? The IELTS general training. The IELTS general training, which is your second kind of test, is actually for people who want to migrate to such countries or if you're going to work in such countries. So this is a mandated requirement for definitely for people who want to get your permanent residency in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and the UK. And it's a very basic test which focuses on survival skills in broad social and workplace context. uh, so the IELTS test format for both of these kind of trainings is almost the same. Your listening and your speaking skills is exactly the same the way it is tested, but your reading and writing, certain topics in a certain context in which reading and writing differs, because obviously you are training for a very different purpose if you're taking for academic or if you're taking for general. Well, in the next session, I'm also going to talk about how can you register for this test. I will also do that. So don't worry, stay tuned. If you want to join IELTS, if you want to join any other exam, you can please take an Academy Plus subscription, which is you get, you can train with India's top best educators. You get live classes, you get structured courses, you get tests and quizzes. And apart from that, if you want to take the Iconic, which is, you also get like a personal coach, right? Only for you, who's going to train only you to crack that exam, uh, to go ahead and, subscribe to An Academy Plus and An Academy Iconic on the An Academy app. And the cost and the fees for this is for a month, it is 3,500, but you can use my special code GCall to get an additional 10% off on this price. And for Iconic, it's only 30,000 for 12 months, and you get like a live personal coach definitely working with you, and you can use my code GCALL to get that additional 10% off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe An Academy Cat for MBA. Bye bye. See you in the next session.